We asked ChatGPT what they thought the price of a Shiba Inu will be in 2024, and their shocking response was that the hyper-intelligent AI said the breed would become very expensive very soon. You should watch this if you own any SHIB tokens or have any interest in Shiba Inu. What therefore was the value of SHIB predicted by ChatGPT to be in 2024? What recent news is there about Shiba Inu coins? What impact will all of this have on the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But before we go on to our subject, let's check at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on November 7th. The cost of a Shiba Inu is now around 820 units. Shiba's price has increased by 0.8% during the last day, with $163 million worth of trades during that time. The token is now the 18th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $4.8 billion. Please remember that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. This is not investment advice. Let's start the video for today now. Shiba Inu smashes past yet another significant benchmark. Shiba Inu's most recent accomplishment. Shiba Inu, the well-known meme coin, is still a hot issue among cryptocurrency users, and news about it often makes headlines. The Layer 2 blockchain solution Shibarium, which went live in August and accomplished many milestones in the months that followed, is one aspect that draws a lot of attention. Shibarium Scan reports that the network's total blocks have crossed the 1.5 million threshold. Furthermore, with over 3.8 million transactions to date, the total number of transactions is slowly approaching the desired 4 million mark. Even so, there are more than 1.2 million addresses. Shibarium's goal is to surpass its competitors in the meme coin space by increasing speed and decreasing transaction costs. Its continued development is seen as a positive indicator that can drive up Shiba's price. A staggering 420% increase in large Shiba Inu trades occurs overnight. The Shiba Inu coin has seen extraordinary on-chain dynamics, characterized by an unparalleled spike in big transactions in an astonishing turn of events. An increase in transactions worth at least $100,000 has been seen, according to blockchain analytics firm Into the Block. Whale transactions involving SHIB have increased dramatically in the last 24 hours, rising by $33.78 million, a startling 420% increase. The astounding $4.11 trillion worth of SHIB tokens have been traded as a result of this abrupt upsurge, bringing the total number of daily transactions to an astounding $5.44 trillion. The transfer of a staggering $4.4 trillion worth of tokens, worth $35.82 million in SHIB value, from one anonymous wallet to another served as the main impetus for this incredible spike in value. There were just 2 transactions made on this freshly established wallet, around 12 hours prior to this transaction. The price of SHIB spiked sharply in tandem with this wave of large-scale Shiba Inu token trades. After settling during the previous 10 days, SHIB's price is now hinting to an impending breakthrough at 815 units. The importance of this recent spike is highlighted by the fact that this is the highest token price since the end of August, when the Shibarium project was launched. The token is still making waves, leaving traders and fans excited about what lies ahead for this well-liked digital asset as the SHIB community looks on in wonder. It would be really appreciated if you could click the like button if you were still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. 3 things to be aware of this week, Shiba Inus. This week saw the successful debut of Shiba Inu amid a general mood of cryptocurrency consolidation. Industry leader Bitcoin has had a decline of 0.88%. Nevertheless, Shiba Inu has experienced increase. As the week approaches and Shiba Inu exhibits growing divergence from Bitcoin, there are three Shiba Inu triggers. The three main elements that may quicken its growing performance are the locked Shibarium total value, its deflationary or burn rate, and its trading volume and whale activity. The speed at which Shiba Inu trades on the open market is important since it will increase trading volume and contribute to increased liquidity, both of which are necessary for a stable market. As this measure has grown by 71% to $193 million in the last day, the objective here is straightforward and focused on expanding on the present growth patterns. Whale contributions are also intended to have an effect on this measure, since a boost from major purchasers may have a big influence. For most of the year, Shiba Inu burn rate has served as a stabilizing force when other measures were not as significant. With just 1.3 million SHIB tokens burned thus far, the burn rate is at its worst right now. A spike in this indicator might drastically alter the game's worth. The Shibarium ratio, the last important thing to be aware of, is Shibarium. Will the chain continue to function without hiccups? Will there be the release of new decentralized apps capable of causing transaction surges? Will there be an attack? A well-managed protocol has the power to transform the game for all parties involved this week and beyond, giving users and investors in the Shiba Inu ecosystem back trust. But stay tuned as we uncover more information about the Shiba Inu coin and how it might impact the project's worth both now and down the road. Shiba Inu overtakes Bitcoin Cash as a result of a market phenomena. In comparison to Bitcoin Cash, the dog-themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has a higher market valuation. At this point, money is flooding the cryptocurrency market, pushing it to its highest point of the year. Shiba Inu has surpassed Bitcoin Cash, which is now ranked 19th among cryptocurrencies with a market value of $4.66 billion, to take the 18th spot with a market capitalization of $4.81 billion. Crypto expert Ali said that a lot of money is now entering the whole crypto market, indicating high investor confidence. He continues by stating that positive capital inflows of over $10.97 billion were seen, which is the greatest amount since 2023. An intriguing feature in the market is the rise of trust for digital assets, which accounts for a significant portion of the cryptocurrency market. Visible when evaluating the altcoin market cap's recent performance. This illustrates how investor capital cascades, since rising Bitcoin dominance tends to drive up altcoin prices in comparison to fiat currencies. This has been seen over the last week as lower cap assets have experienced growth in addition to Bitcoin. There are signs of long-term demand driving the rally, even if the price momentum is short-term overheating. Of the past, the pattern of cryptocurrency cycles has been for Bitcoin to rise initially, followed by a steady transfer of capital to reduce the cap and increase the danger of your bets. But in contrast to the rise of other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin's market capitalization has increased significantly in 2023. This illustrates a fascinating situation in the market where the altcoin space performs far worse than Bitcoin, but much better than fiat currencies and conventional assets like gold. It's time for the video's primary plot now. ChatGPT projects the pricing of Shiba Inus for the beginning of 2024. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that experiences a slowdown as most other assets do, but according to data gathered by ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence platform, the well-known dog meme cryptocurrency may be off to a better start in 2019. In fact, Finbold sought advice from ChatGPT regarding the latest version of the OpenAI brainchild in order to gain insights into the price of Shiba Inu at the start of 2024, considering historical data and trends along with technical indicators. On November 6, the company provided a thorough response from this perspective. What does ChatGPT forecast? In particular, the AI purchase projects that Shiba Inu may trade at least 1357 units by the beginning of 2024, which would still be a 6 to 5% gain over the price at the time of publication. However, it also said that the price might go as high as 1619 units, a 98% increase. Stated otherwise, this implies that the mean value of the ChatGPT forecasts would be about 1,400 units, implying a 71% increase in comparison to the current price of the 18th most valuable cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Could this forecast prove to be accurate? All things considered, if the signs are good, it continues to draw in enough investor interest, and its staff keeps working on building the Shib ecosystem, including the Shibarium network. Shiba Inu may really hit the price range predicted by ChatGPT 4. Because they trust in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world worth of SHIB, many of our subscribers say that they will not be selling Shib for the next 5 years and will instead keep millions of them. What many of ones do you guys have? Remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Remember to provide a list of your Shib holdings in the following comments area. Let's give the Shib Bureau credit for having faith in the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to get updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications.